Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wishful Account, chapter 29. So here it is. Let's read the story. Sorry for the long wait. Come with me. So it seems that she already arrived on her grandfather's house. Now, Chui, she bring the robot, so her grandfather has some companion. Now, she was greeting her grandfather. Meow meow, why are you fuck? Her grandfather, it seems to be surprised that suddenly Shirley came back. You didn't even tell me that you were going home. I asked someone to bring you some more balls and chopstick. I won't eat your meal. I just come to see you. Now, Chuyi, she's been here for her grandfather. You don't even eat when you get home. What a shame. Just eat the fuck lunch and should work hard while you are young. By the way, Grandpa, this is Chuangshang's new product and a companion robot. I just debugged a sample today and brought it here for you to try first. The exhibition is always good. Well, why are you giving Grandpa a robot? Because I can be with you all the time. The little robot can follow you day and night. You can treat it as me and give your granddaughter a peace of mind. Chui explaining to her grandfather, now you put surveillance camera next to me. I'm not a child and I still need supervision, her grandfather said to her. But now, Chui, it seems to be, I don't care. I'm going to let it go anyway. Chui, she don't want her grandfather to decline the robot that she was going to send to. Now, her grandfather said, you kid, no matter how many servants, there are always when they can be seen multiple robots and also multi-layered guarantees. It can also be a relief. Grandpa in the daytime. Now, then, Grandpa came to see this little thing. Well, it seems that her grandfather is already accepting that robot. Well, let's solve. Everything will be fine for Chui's side, especially for her olding grandfather. In the blink of an eye, my grandfather is over 80 years old. Chui, she looks really sad when seeing her grandfather that he's been really getting older. He used to be a towering tree, trying to cover the sky and sun and shelter the wind and row for the Shan family. Now, everything seems to be changed. It was until now, when I stopped and looked back, that I realized that my grandfather had already become very old. How much time do I have left? Well, Chui suddenly said to her grandfather, Chelsea, tell me about it. Why did you recruit Tang Xuan? Mr. Shan, what happened? Isn't Miss Tang Xuan your friend? I see that she and you are high school classmates, so alumni friends. Then just don't recruit in the future. I have so many friends around the world, enough for me to open 17 or 18 branches overseas. No, I'm sorry, Mishan. I misunderstood. Well, Chuyi, until now, she got really irritated because being recruited, Tangshuan, of course, it's really irritated her, but it seems that she remember about the fuss. Chuyi, what gift do you want for your birthday? Well, it seems that the two of them are having a fuss, but Chuyi, right now, it seems that there's a deeper emotions that two of them encountered in the fuss. There are beautiful women and golden houses in the books. Please give me some books. Tangshuan, on that time, you gave too much. Well, I give you the best of what you like, Tangshuan said to her. So it seems that they're really closer to each other before. But what happened? It seems that she was really avoiding Tangshuan. Let's just treat as a friend. Then, shouldn't you reflect your nepotism base of hiring practices? Oh, it really makes sense. Chui, she has some point for this. It's just an impressive resume. It's suspicious that he comes to work as secretary. Well, Chui said to her. it was really overqualified for that position. I don't have time to think about Tangshuan anymore. There are still many things to do. Chui said to herself, but suddenly she feels so tired, being busy with so many things. What Yu Yu is doing now. So she really means Yu Yu, that's why she was thinking about her. But suddenly her phone is ringing. It seems that someone was calling her. Well, what do you think? Who is the person who's trying to call her, even though it was really late right now? So after that phone call, it seems that she wants something. Could it be that she went to hospital for something? Well, let's solve. It was not her grandfather, but instead, she was looking around. It seems that she got really worried about this. Well, let's really hope that there's nothing but happen and really makes sense. Suddenly, she considered. It turns out it was Yu Yu. Sinyu was there and she was sitting on the bench. Could it be that there's something happen? Now, makes sense. After seeing her, well, Chui Xingyu was calling her, but Xingyu, it seems that she was really worried on something. Could it be something happened? It accidentally fell off the cabinet and kept lifting its foes when walking. Are you okay? How did Xingshan suddenly break his bone? Fortunately, my mother discovered it on time. Well, it seems that her cut or something wrong. Don't worry, the doctor says that it's minor fracture and it can be treated conservatively with a gas. So now it makes sense. Chui, it seems that she was really tired today. Look at her. She was yawning, probably because she really did a lot of things of the day. That's why she was really tired and he really needs to rest. You should sit down and rest for a while. Xenia said to her, "What are you talking about? If you call me, I will definitely come to accompany you first." She said to her, "I'm tired because there are too many things to do in the company. It has nothing to do with you." Tree said to her, "Well, looking at this girl, it seems that she's really getting sweeter. Then, you wait a while. Well, looking at Chui, it seems that Sinyu, she got really worried about her, but Sinyu, she's trying to beat her to be able to calm her also. The operation has been begun and it will take some time to end." Sinyu said to her, "Well, it seems that I'll call you when Shishans come out, okay?" So, Sinyu, she's trying to make her sleep so she can able to rest for a while waiting for the successful operation of her cut. Now, Tree said to her, "It was good. Well, finally, they've been calming down." Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.